everybody, welcome back to Let's Learn Together. Today I have a lesson planned for you, and that is the alphabet letter sounds. So come on and let's learn together. This is letter A. This letter has 3 sounds. A. This is letter B. This letter has only 1 sound. B. This is letter C. This letter has 2 sounds. K, S. This is letter D. This letter only has 1 sound. T. This is letter E. This letter has 2 sounds. E. This is letter F. This letter has only 1 sound. F. This is letter G. This letter has 2 sounds. K, Ch. This is letter H. This letter only has 1 sound. This is letter I. This letter has 3 sounds. I, E. This is letter J. This letter only has 1 sound. Ch. This is letter K. This letter only has 1 sound. K. This is letter L. This letter only has 1 sound. Ooh. This is letter M. This letter only has 1 sound. This is letter N. This letter only has 1 sound. This is letter O. This letter has 3 sounds. U. This is letter P. This letter only has 1 sound. P. This is letter Q. This letter only has 1 sound. Qu. Qu. This is letter R. This letter only has 1 sound. R. This is letter S. This letter has 2 sounds. S. S. This is letter T. This letter only has 1 sound. T. This is letter U. This letter has 4 sounds. U. This is letter V. This letter only has 1 sound. V. This is letter W. This letter only has 1 sound. W. W. This is letter X. This letter only has 1 sound. X. This is letter Y. This letter has 4 sounds. Y, I, E. This is letter Z. This letter has only 1 sound. Z. Thanks for watching. This is all. Please subscribe for more.